I personally believe that providing the positive role model of a working parent is one of the most important things we can do for children, because children model the behavior in large measure of the authority figures or the love figures or whatever, the nurturing figures in their life, and I think it's critically important. I want to use that to segue into some of the comments that Mona and John made, and say that when I talked about the waivers in the SNAP program, I was specifically had in mind some of the work that's been done with community colleges and technical schools at the state and county level around the country, where they're actually partnering with businesses to identify those middle skills jobs and actually developing courses that specifically train people to go into a job. And the kind of waiver approach I'm talking about.
Available at the local level.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. And the kind of waiver approach I'm talking about would allow the funding that those schools are spending on those courses, and in many cases that the private businesses are giving the schools, to be matched to access 50/50 E&T funding from the SNAP program, you know, so that you could actually channel the education for the parents, the role models, and towards real jobs, good jobs, as you say. The analysis I've done, same as you. We were talking 40 to 50, maybe even higher paid jobs that have greater potential in the long term.